What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys with another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down to you guys actually one of our fix and flip properties. We actually picked this up a little less than a month ago, my partners and I, as you guys know, Austin Zabak and Brendan Gray. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath little condo here. Beautiful view. We're going to give you guys some B-roll, but I've actually not got a chance to make a before video, but this is kind of the after. But I'll kind of run through for you guys and just share with you kind of the things that have been able to get put in structure, the new things that we added to this beautiful condo, but more importantly, the profits that we're going to be talking about at the end once we actually do go to sell this condo. We actually picked this up for right around $202,000. We're actually in Scottsdale, Arizona, so you know it's very difficult to find condos at a decent price. We got this one right around 65% ARV, and we're going to be putting in, we put now well over $30,000 into this condo. And after, right, so we're all in at 202, we put 30 some into this. We're actually going to be selling this now for $299. $299 is going to be our list price. And for those of you that are aware of the real estate market in Arizona right now, things are going like hotcakes. So I don't see this thing lasting more than a couple of hours just because of how beautiful a condo like this here in Scottsdale, Arizona is. So we're going to go do this walkthrough. I'm going to show you guys some of the things our team has added. You know, when we walked in through the front door, there actually used to be a large wall. Austin, my partner, said, you know what, let's kick down this wall. There used to be a fridge over here. We're going to dive into this. So this is kind of a living room dining area set where, again, has these updated fixtures. You know, the more, I would call it maybe the rustic modern look, where we have the black and the whites and things like that. But right here, there was actually a wall. There was actually a wall right here, and the fridge was right next to it. So what we decided to do is we decided to take down the wall because, again, it's 2020. We want to go white countertops, granite countertop, or white cabinets, granite countertops, light and dark appliances and things like that. So therefore, what we did is we took down the wall. We wanted an open concept because it really just allows individuals to have more room, and everybody wants an open concept. They don't want a bunch of walls. So we took that wall down, took this wall down. We then decided to move the fridge to the other side, which gave us obviously this literal beautiful kitchen. So again, upgraded all the appliances. We added in a little different concept of shelves, which are actually your wood shelves, but it allows individuals to just have stuff right here rather than having to open a bunch of cabinetry, which again, we still have these beautiful cabinetry here. And then Austin actually decided to do something a little bit different. Which were obviously the cool part about this condo is it actually has 2 balconies. So it's got a main balcony, and then it's got for the second bedroom, they have kind of their own private balcony. Of course, you can get to it through the kitchen as well, but we actually added, now this is a complete mess, but again, we're still in the process of it. He added a desk. So this desk is gonna allow somebody to come here, have a little workstation, because again, in 2020 with the current pandemic that's happening, and people are wanting to work from home, and what better place to work from home than literally in your kitchen. So if you get hungry, you get to use this beautiful fridge right here, and you get yourself some snacks. We upgraded the lights, we put in some new fixtures, you know, we painted all of the walls, so we put this new backsplash on, which again, I think adds a beautiful touch. Really pops this countertop and really pops the cabinetry that we have. And so with upgraded lighting, the kitchen is literally beautiful. We're gonna head into the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you guys. Awesome. I'm gonna show you guys the master bedroom, and then we're gonna kind of show you guys everything else. So stick tuned. So here we are walking into the second bedroom. Again, we got a lot of closet space here as well. So we actually went ahead and upgraded this bathroom. It's actually a beautiful bathroom. Now, we added the upgraded light fixtures. We added the same countertops that are in the kitchen. We went with the black appliances just because of how clean it really looks, right? The knobs are black. The fixtures, the shower head, and that is black. It really gives it, with a white and black theme, it really gives it that really pop. See, diving into the second bedroom here, we're gonna be upgrading this carpet, but as you guys know, when you guys are doing a fix and flip, carpet's one of the last things to go. We upgraded all of the fans, we painted the entire thing, we changed all of the knobs inside this. We upgraded the trim at the bottom. We left the closet how it was. We're just gonna be upgrading this and painting the closet. So Again, this is what we did in the second bedroom. Let's head over to, I'll show you guys the main balcony, and then I'll show you guys the floors. The floor is one of the best part in this house. I think the floors are absolutely stunning. It's gonna make the buyer that's gonna buy this property extremely excited and extremely happy, especially with the appliances and all of the lighting fixtures. It looks amazing. So we're gonna dive right into the living room. So this is actually the living room, and the living room before, we decided to do obviously what everybody wants in 2020. We decided to go with hardwood floors. Before there was a bunch of different carpet. It was really old carpet. It was ugly tile that was leading into the door. So we decided to go ahead and just make everything the same wood throughout the entire house, which obviously is something everybody wants. Because again, in my bedroom, I don't really enjoy carpet, but if I have to have carpet, I have carpet. We're here, we're gonna leave the carpet because again, in a 2-bedroom condo, the ideal buyer actually likes carpet in their bedrooms. Me, I'm a hardwood type of guy, and I put a rug down on the floor or under my bed and I call it a day. So upgrading the light fixtures in here. This is actually the main balcony, and as you guys can see on this particular condo, this is a far side. It's gonna be really loud, but what you guys will be able to see is the view. The view of this property and from the master bedroom is literally insane. So we went ahead and upgraded the ceiling fan out here as well. We upgraded into the drop down shade so that when it gets too sunny or something, you can actually drop it down. Cleaned the carpet. We're actually gonna be changing this carpet out as well, but as you guys know, carpet's the last thing to go. But I'll show you guys this view. Check this out. So this is literally the view of the condo in the balcony, and you can actually see this exact view from the master bedroom. So again, it has that plus. You have 2 balconies, which really is an additive for individuals that are wanting to get into a 2-bedroom condo, because how many condos do you know that are 2 bedrooms that actually have 2 balconies? Not a lot, and again, it's not that large of a condo. 1,300 square feet to be exact, right around 1,256 square feet. So to have 2 balconies is an absolute plus, but more importantly, to have this view of the mountains that the master bedroom has is an absolute plus. But more so, they're not close enough to the road to hear the noise while they're sleeping, but they're just close enough to get the commotion, get the trees, and get the mountains and see this beautiful view. Ladies and gentlemen, let's head into the master bedroom and then we'll wrap this thing up. Heading into the master bedroom, obviously we upgraded the ceiling fans, we painted, changed all of the knobs in the entire thing. We're gonna upgrade the sliding door just a little bit. Carpet's obviously gonna come, but you know, this master bedroom, I mean, right before this thing got painted, the new molding at the bottom, you know, upgraded carpets, the new white doors, the ceiling fan, it was really, it was a very bad sight. When we were looking at this project, my partners are like, you know what, let's make a condo for once sexy. So that's exactly what we did. So we changed the paint color, we upgraded it to a very nice white, a very clean color. It's a cream wall, and again, it goes great with the appliances. So we're gonna dive right into this bathroom. This is actually one of the coolest things I think that I've seen. But this is actually, I'm gonna show you guys. We had one sink right here. And Austin said, you know what? In a master bedroom, in a master bathroom, in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, if I was buying this property, what would I want? You got a wife, you probably have a kid, or it's just you and your wife, right? You might be in the mid-age 30 to 50, right? You might be in the age of 50 to 70. What would you want? Whenever I'm going to work or something, and your wife or your spouse has one sink and you have one sink, you guys go to work at the same time, the last thing you can be doing is having one sink. So he literally decided, hey, let's do dual vanity. Let's take this one sink, let's upgrade this, but let's add another sink over here that allows that dual vanity, the upgraded light fixtures, the upgraded mirrors, add some extra cabinetry so they actually have some sort of storage. And then of course the wood shelf right here, so they can put all of their toiletries or other different things that it is that they need, their toothbrushes or whatever the case may be. So this right here was a massive addition to this property because again, there was before only one sink. And then you guys, if you guys see this bathroom, it was the ugliest bathroom I think I've ever seen of all bathrooms. Now again, a lot of you guys are like, I can't really tell that a bathroom or a shower can be ugly, but let me tell you, you guys are looking at this picture, it was ugly, man. So obviously we went ahead and upgraded the entire fixture of the actual sliding door, put that in, which makes a nice clean look. It really pops out the black. We painted the walls that cream color, the same color that's throughout the entire house, upgraded the ceiling to white, and changed out the toilet to be a newer modern toilet. The new modern toilets, you push the circle on the back rather than actually flushing the flusher. It gives that nice added hotel feel, essentially. So this bathroom actually is unbelievably beautiful compared to what it looked like previously. Guys, that's really it. You know, on this property, we'll probably end up earning right around $40,000 after everything is done, settled in. This property is gonna go to list here in probably, I would say, the next 5 to 7 days. So again, you guys are probably watching this video. The condo has not been listed yet. So if you guys are interested in moving to Scottsdale, Arizona, yeah, we're gonna make 40 grand on you, but hey, you're gonna have a beautiful condo for $299,000, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll even save you guys some buyer's commissions as well. So make sure and definitely drop in the comment section below if you guys want to see some more of these videos. My partners and I actually created a free webinar. This is where my pitch happens because you stayed tuned to this entire video. We created a free webinar. It's actually going to be in the link in the description below. It's a wholesale course on how we're actually able to do things exactly like this. Again, this is 100% free. All you guys got to do is just check out the webinar below. In there, it'll actually be one of the first links in the description below. As well as you guys know, me and my partner have a gangster show called the A&A Show. A lot of you guys have went over there and subscribed, so thank you guys for doing so. We interview the most baddest of baddest guests in the entire world, coming from all the way from Miami to Florida to Miami's in Florida to New York to California to Arizona. Literally most entertaining show hands down, so definitely go check that link out in the bio as well. If you guys haven't already joined the free ATM group on Facebook, definitely go do so. Austin Lewis here saying thank you so much for smashing the like button on this video because it helps the YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribing if you guys are brand new. Drop in the comment section if you guys would like to see more of these videos, and we'll see you guys in a future video.